You guys want to open up the bee's nest?
Yeah! Yeah!
This is a wasp net.
Burn it.
We could burn it.
Burn it. It's gross.
We'll burn it. We'll burn it outside afterwards.
No, we're not putting it in the sink, Daddy.
No, we're not burning it in the sink. Why do you have it? Okay.
Cut it in half.
Dude, so here's what we're gonna do.
There's gonna be dead wasps inside.
Okay, this is. Sit over here. We're gonna do this properly.
Daddy, if you say run, everyone jot out the house.
Okay, so here's my theory. We've had this outside overnight and in the house over day. So I figured if there were any wasps in it.
They're gonna be coming out, but
I think we're gonna find a treasure in here. What can possibly be in here?
dead wasp.
Sorry, I'm also cooking over here, so I gotta multitask here.
This like why not just bang it open?
Okay, if I say run though.
Cut
children,
it, cut it, cut it, cut
I
it.
want to try to keep it. Cut it with scissors. Cut it with a
No.
knife. Okay, you ready? We're gonna do this. We would go in through the wasp hole. Come, you gotta get.
You guys are all color coordinated with the wasp nest.
Come, get in here. Get in here. Look at this. Something. There is something.
I think it's a treasure. Hasn't found it.
Here it is.
I think it's a treasure.
Okay, this is really cool.
You see the inside?
Careful. Oh wait. Okay. Sorry, I didn't mean to panic you.
Is there anything in there?
There's something really cool in there.
Oh no! It's a pile of what that was.
Let me just make sure this.
It's not.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
We got.
Oh.
Wow.
That's where I keep all the honey.
Okay,
Look,
so one
it's
thing.
in layers.
That is so cool.
That's how they keep.
Okay, wait, watch out. If there are dead wasps in there, they can still sting after they're dead, but I don't think there are. I don't think anybody in the history of humankind has ever done this before.
No, probably never. What do you think,
Dad,
guys?
that's where they put all the honey.
I don't think there's honey because it's a wasp nest, not a bee's nest.
But it would be similar.
But
Or maybe that's
we
where
did-
they sleep. Like everyone gets into one of the holes.
oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay,
Looks like a cake.
oh, who's disturbing us during the walk?
Ah,
Come on.
get out of here.
That is so
I think
cool.
we better put this on pause and see who's at the door.
Ah! There's a dead wasp in there. Ah! Ah!
There. Oh yeah. Just one.
We're coming.
Okay, I see. It was a good thing we left this thing outside overnight.
Oh,
Is it dead?
alive.
No.
Cut it,
So
cut
by the way, get in there. I think this is true of wasps as well. Why their legs curl up when they die? Apparently, they have their legs operate on a hydraulic
eggs.
system, and when they die, the fluid.
Eggs?
Okay,
Where's Mila?
she's playing Among Us. By the way, that's what she missed all of this to play Among Us. This is it, guys. Look how cool. Look how cool that is. That's it. That's what the inside of it looks like. Behind all the paper.
Wait, there's still the egg left.
No, I don't think that's an egg. That's just well, that's really cool. Okay, science. I never knew that was within there. Just behind all the paper is the cone where they make babies. Oh, kind of looks like a.
Now let's open that box.
Okay, go open the box. Okay, cool. Done.